Hi there, Thin Man Sewing, talking to you today about a Viking Husqvarna 190 sewing machine made in the mid-80s. It's an all-mechanical machine. It's a very simple machine with a few stitches, but it is quite heavy duty and quite smooth. Let's take a look here. It's got the presser foot adjustment pressure. It's got the thread tension. Here's your stitch length, and you go clear over here to the side for stretch stitches. That's quite a few stretch stitches. It does have a 4-position manual buttonhole, and you notice there is no stitch width adjustment on this one, because like I said, it's very simple. You have 3 different zigzag widths, and all the fancy stitches are preset. The only adjustment on the needle is you have needle center per straight or to the left, but it does do a very good job. One thing I do like about this machine is that it does have a needle up or down switch on it, and you can set it to stop up all the time, down all the time, or just right in the middle, and it will stop where you let your foot off. It does have the speed right here and the on off. So anyway, let's go ahead and see how to thread it. We'll take our thread here, put it up on the spool, and it just goes through this first little clip up here, and you notice there's 2 little slots on the top. That's just if you're doing dual threads. It doesn't matter which one you go through, just come down. Then you go under a little hook here, to the left, through the arm, through that little notch, and I'm going to go ahead and wind the bobbin. So instead of threading the needle right now, I'm just going to keep going past the needle and through the foot. And then what I'll do is I'll bring the thread over here, flip up this little guide, and here's the bobbin, the special Husqvarna bobbin. And then what we do is, of course, wrap a few around so it will grab it and take off. And what's interesting on this machine also is there's just a little stud over here that the bobbin fits on, and the bobbin hits the little switch there to turn the bobbin winder on, so you really don't have to do anything. Just put it on there and hit the fit button, and that starts winding. I just wind a little bit just so you can see how it works, and it will shut off automatically. When the thread gets full, the thread will push up against that little switch there and turn the motor off. So anyway, just pull it off there, the guide back down, and then what I do is I take the thread going up over the top this way, and my bobbin holder, bobbin case, and I put it in with the thread going this way, and I pull it up back through this clip until it clicks in on the top, just like that. And I remove the little toolbox so I can access the bobbin area, put down the door, and go ahead and put the bobbin in here. And then what I have to do is go ahead and finish threading the needle. So I just go ahead and go front to back through the needle. And then go ahead and one turn to pull up the thread, bobbin thread, and pull it out here. Okay, and while we're got this open, I can show you here's the feed dog up or down, so you can disengage the feed dogs. Shut the door up. So it is a free arm machine. Here, put the toolbox back on, make it a flat bed. It does have lots of room for bobbins and feet in there. It is a metal machine, except for the front and the back are plastic, but the machine is metal. So anyway, let's see a little stitch here. I'll just do a straight stitch, and as you can see, a very smooth and quiet machine, yet powerful. And there I have it on needle up, so it stops all the time on needle up. If I put the needle in the down position, now that I have the foot, of course, it'll stop in the down position. So like I said, that is a rather nice little feature. Let's go ahead and do a zigzag stitch. It is quite a smooth machine. And now let's go ahead and do one of the stretch stitches. So I just turn it over here. Now I start using this. Before I was using this indicator for these. Now I'm going to use this indicator. I'll put on like this little triangle pattern, and then like I said, I go ahead and push that over to the green. And let's go ahead and go right here. And see how it goes front to back by itself to make a stretch stitch. So there you have it, the Husqvarna Viking 190. Here is stretch stitch. Here's a zigzag straight. I mean, as you can see, very nice stitch, very smooth machine. And I hope you like my video. Thank you.